Hey, keep the line moving.
Imagine an honest-to-goodness twin-crested nut warbler.
Big deal. Yesterday I got an autograph from a double-breasted seersucker. Now what? I got one from a yellow-bellied tax dodger.
I beat you both. I got Elvis's autograph, and that was just last week.
We all awaited the arrival of Dr. Morton Flysacker, the world's leading authority on birds. Dr. Flysacker, I presume.
I have that pleasure. Now, which of you supposedly sighted the alleged twin-crested nut warbler?
Binky here did.
If this turns out to be a fake sighting, someone's in a lot of trouble.
Meanwhile, the news of the twin-crested nut warbler had reached Rex DeForest.
If they find this bird, they'll declare these woods a sanctuary, and I'll never be able to build my condos here. That's why we have to find it first.
Yeah, how's that bird call go again, boss?
Like so.
Gee! Gee!
Oh, look, boss! Here it comes!
Give me that!
No way! I saw him first!
Whoa!
Okay, you can have it. Yeah, good thinking, boss. You really used your head.
It was already dark, so we decided to search for the twin-crested nut warbler the following morning. It was one of the longest nights of my life. Dr. Flysacker not only looked like a bird, he slept like a bird, too. But then I came up with a perfect solution. Sleep tight, Dr. Flysacker.
Hey!
The only good part was that Rex DeForest was spending a sleepless night, too.
Hey! Hey!
Come back here, you feathered freak!
Freak!
Gotcha! Oh, whoopsie. Sorry, boss.
Just why did I ever hire anyone as stupid as you?
Let me guess, because I'm the only one who will put up with your withering insults and devastating put-downs?
Oh, close enough. You have a bird brain. Interpret for me. What's it saying?
It's definitely saying it's hungry.
Then we better find it something to eat.
On reading the Birdwatcher's Manual, Rex discovered that the nut warbler only eats a species of blisterberry that grows on the north side of Sneaker Peak.
Hurry up! I can't hold this thing much longer.
Almost done, boss. Just one more berry.
Wow! Thanks!
Hi, boss. You come for the blisterberries? Here, take them. Boy, I hope the warbler likes blisterberry juice.
Meanwhile, the girls came up with their own idea. They dressed Binky in a twin-crested nut warbler costume that they'd made themselves.
Let's hope this lures that nut warbler back to that tree.
It better fool Dr. Flysacker. Well, if it doesn't work, at least it'll look good for the prison photos.
Okay, Binky, now let me hear that bird call again. Here goes. Well, how was it?
I'd better put on more makeup for those pictures.
Okay, Binky, here's the spot where you saw the bird.
Well, aren't we there yet?
Any minute now, Dr. Flysacker.
It's them. Quick, Binky, up in the tree.
Well, we're here. This is the tree where the bird was spotted.
Well, I'd better spot it again, for your sake.
It's my friend. He came back to see me.
It's the nut warbler. It answered my call. And it came from this tree.
See that? I told you my campers don't lie.
Never mind that. Help boost me up.
Of course. Up you go. Come on. Robin, what are you doing here?
We've got to stop him. That's Binky up there dressed up like a bird.
Binky? In a bird costume?
We're trying to lure the warbler back to where he first saw it.
I gotta get up there. There we go. There we go.
What? Since when do twin-crested nut warblers wear sneakers?
Hey, Mr. Flashwater, let go of my leg.
You're coming with me, you pint-sized hoaxer. warbler. It's not extinct after all. Oh, what a glorious moment in ornithological history.
And best of all, that makes this forest a protected sanctuary.
Right, and Rex the Forest can't build anything on it.
That's what you think. Take a look.
It's leaving.
Along with your chances of holding on to this property, Candy.
I'm afraid he's right. Without a twin-crested nut warbler, it's no longer protected.
Chester, call the bulldozer company and tell them to start rolling.
You better not call him yet. Look it. Hey! Anybody got any blisterberries?
Blisterberry. You want blisterberry? That's a good one.